Hello guys, how are you? Hope you will be fine. So guys, today we are going to show you some designs of patio of winters. So if you want to design your home for winters, so this video is very useful for you. So before starting our video, I want to suggest you that subscribe our channel and like our video. So let's go our new designs. So guys, check this video and this design very carefully. So this is very beautiful and best design for winters. So also you can check this design. It is also very best design where you can chat with your friends and with your guests. So it is very good place and very calm place for you. So guys, check this design. It is very beautiful and best design for winters where you can also can take heat of fire very bestly. So guys, let's go and check more designs. So guys, hope you have enjoyed our video and our designs. So inshallah we'll meet in next video. So subscribe our channel and like our videos. Goodbye and thanks for watching.